Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to look at the GMADE CVA upgrade kit for this truck to help out with the steering. Just take a look at this. Alright, so basically I'll be assembling these and putting them on the truck. As you know, the GMADE GOM comes stock with dog bone shafts instead of CVAs for the front steering. So the GOM isn't the greatest truck in the world with the most steering angle, and these CVAs should help out with that. This is the extent of it right now. Try to give you a better look there. So this is the extent of the GOM steering. Maybe a view from the bottom. So the goal here would be to maximize this with the CVAs and give it just a little bit more angle. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is to remove stock wheels from the truck. Okay, I've got the tires off, or the wheels, and I'm going to continue taking apart the knuckle and everything we need in order to get the dog bone shafts out. I bought these bushings and I just gotta make sure I don't lose them. Brass bushings. And start putting together the CVDs. Instructions on how to assemble the CVDs. As usual, I like using Versachem caliper grease, and I'll be using that for these CVDs as well. Alright, let's go ahead and continue removing the previous shafts, just so you know. Should be the short one. We'll also have to loosen one of these as well, so the shaft can completely be removed. Alright, should do it. There we go. go ahead and get the pieces we need to assemble one of the CVDs. Alright, put a little Versachem just to keep that CVD lubricated. Alright, got the other shaft out, and let's go ahead and build the other CVD. I'll move this truck out of the way for a second. Alright, cool. And the other CVD is completed. So let me go ahead and make sure that I put some Versacam on this as well. Okay, now that this is complete, I will go ahead and put this on the truck. Alright, now the CVDs are installed. And we're ready to put on the wheel nuts and then the tires. And with the wheels on, that concludes the installation of the CVDs. Let's take a look at the steering angle, see how it improved. Oh, it actually hits the bottom links now. So that'll probably take some endpoint adjustments to prevent that from normally hitting, I guess. But look at that steering angle, that's pretty crazy. It improved a bunch. This tie rod, or this front steering link here, rod end, gets hit by the tire as well, so that it looks like I'll have to set my endpoint adjustments and see how far I can push it in each direction. That is just an amazing improvement. That's just crazy. Thanks for watching, and that concludes the GMADE GOM CVA upgrade. So, another look at it from here. Look at that. That is some good steering angle.